Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Fernando. Today we are looking at the new NU30 from the NU30 series, the predecessor to the NU31 and 33. What makes this one special? Let's find out. What comes in the box? You got your NU30 headlamp, of course, along with this really cool headband that adjusts really well to your head, and this USB-C to USB-C charger. Let's head on over to the features. The NU30 is the newest headlamp in the game with a max lumen output of 500 lumens and a 142-yard max beam throw. What sets this one apart and excites me the most is the new UHE LED system. It is composed of 4 UHE LEDs, which offers low heat generation but high lumen efficiency, which outperforms in beam distance as well. What it does is produce a soft-edged hotspot that gives a continuous flow and a very efficient flood to be able to see all around you, which enhances both the brightness and the throw. So technically 500 lumens can appear to me much brighter. This is also going to be relatively smaller and lighter than the NU31 and NU33, measuring only 2.45 inches by 1.78 inches by 1.22 inches and only weighing 3.17 ounces. It has triple light sources, so you have your primary white in the middle, followed by your 4 auxiliary lights with the high CRI as well as the red. And now for the first time you have a user-friendly way to get to the ultra low level by double pressing the power button. You also have your beacon and your SOS. Highly requested was a higher lumen output of the red. So not only do you have the red low, but you also now have a higher output with the red high. Here at the top you have the famous dual button interface for easy operation. You can do it one-handed as well. And now, different to the other NU series, you have an intuitive battery level indicator inside. You can see it light up right here. And it also tells you when you need to recharge. And it has a 1500 milliampere per hour lithium ion battery that provides up to 97 hours of runtime on the lowest setting. It has a USB port right here on the side with this strong rubber boot for fast charging, and it can fully charge in only 2 hours. As well as your lockout button. By double pressing both buttons, you get a flash that indicates that you're in lockout mode. The body is made out of durable PC, which makes it very light, but also durable. The headband is more elastic now than ever. Comfortable to wear, the texture is almost very soft like fabric, but very durable at the same time. It is more reflective than ever, which ensures protection and safety out at night. It is rated IP66, being waterproof, and it's also impact resistant up to 1 meter. It is very sturdy with this ridge system right here, and when you shake it violently, it stays put in place. So you're able to tilt the flashlight down or up without having to move your neck. The UI on the NU30 is very simple. To turn it on and off, you can press either the mode button or the power button. When the light is on, you use the power button to cycle through the different modes in each mode, low, medium, and high, like that. And then to switch between different modes, you just short press on the mode button whenever it's on to go from the primary white light to the auxiliary lights, and then you press the mode button again and you're going to go into the red light feature, and then once again the power button to cycle through the different brightness levels. Then you got red flashing, and then to access ultra low when the light is off, you double press the power button and then you go straight into ultra low in the auxiliary mode. Going over to the mode button, at any given moment, double press the mode button to access SOS and beacon, and then press the mode button again to access beacon. Now when the light is off, you hold and press the mode button to access the red light. If you want to know the battery level when the light is off, you just short press the mode button and it's gonna light up right here and let you know what battery percentage you have. And that's pretty much how you use the NU30. What's the difference between the NU30, the NU31, and the NU33? Well, the first thing that's obvious is the auxiliary lights. The NU30 has 4 of them compared to the NU33 and 31, they only have 2, which gives you a lot more flood a lot more brightness and evenness. All three of them have the dual button interface. And with the UHE LED, you're gonna get that True Vision plus flood beam combo on the NU30, like I mentioned. The NU30 does have 142 yard peak beam distance compared to 158 yards on the 31st and 147 yards on the 33rd. You are going to get more peak beam distance on the 31, but like I said, thanks to UHE LED system, the 142 yards on the NU30 actually appears to be a little bit further. The NU30 is slightly smaller and also lighter than these two right here. Now ultimately the NU30 is going to have a little bit less runtime on the slowest setting of ultra low on the auxiliary light mode. Essentially, thanks to its USB-C fast charging capabilities, you can recharge it in only 2 hours. And one of my favorite features is the higher output on the red auxiliary light mode, with now having a high option of 20 lumens for 73-hour runtime. And you still have access to the 5 lumens for 21 hours and a slow flashing for 20 lumens as well. Both the NU33 and 31 have the battery level indicator on the side. The NU30 has it in the middle, being more intuitive. And the best part yet, it's more affordable than all three. Not only that, but you also have quick access to the ultra low mode by double pressing on the power button. And those are the key differences between these three. I love the new UHE LED system that makes this appear much brighter and the beam distance be more intensified. I love the aesthetic of this one. It is very simple, straightforward. I really love that they did the battery level indicator inside so it could be more user intuitive. Some of the reasons why I'm excited for the NU30 are for its capabilities. Now that it has the ability to get quick access to the auxiliary ultra low level, I can easily take this in sites like camping, where I don't want to disturb anybody while sleeping, and I can double press on the auxiliary ultra low to be able to look around me. Now with the higher 20 lumens on the red light function, it is great for preserving your night vision and not having that eye strain as you would with higher lumen outputs in the white light. And for that, it's great as a photographer myself to be able to do nighttime photography. And it's also, believe it or not, a great mosquito repellent. Now if you're camping, trekking, or even running in trails, you're bound to run into mosquitoes at one point or another. Having a higher red light function does a better job at being able to repel those mosquitoes away from you. And what better way to feel more safe by having a greater lumen output on the red light function to be able to signal for emergencies. Those are some of the things that I would use it for and what I'm excited for with NU30. What would you use it for? Well, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.